It's just this one little spot with my hair. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. Usually you'll see my videos on Thursdays and Sundays. This box is heavy. This Allure beauty box, which I absolutely love this subscription box. So hesitant to jump in and like actually do it. I was gifted the subscription, and although it's pricey, she has never done me wrong. Not once, never. I'll leave more down in the description. But for Allure beauty box, you get some full size and some like deluxe sample sizes, or some deluxe sizes. You don't call them deluxe sample sizes. They're not samples, they're deluxe sizes, which means they're just tiny. I don't know. But monthly box. Anyway, I'm gonna open it. Monthly box. Let's dive into this together. I'm excited to see how this goes. I'm excited to see what I got. My handy dandy cloud knife. We cut away from ourselves. I'm learning that too. And then let's open it up. So pretty. Oh, okay. Allure Beauty. And this usually tells you about the products that you received. A little fun pamphlet. And then GQ box. If they would use it, I would buy it for them. They don't. I probably use it more. Just throwing it out there. Cool subscription. And here's our box without any further delay on my part. Very beautifully like wrapped this month. I like it. Oh, what is this? Oh, Mud Masky sent me like a cute little thing. 5 pretty cute little doodles. Let's see what they are. Oh, cool. Okay. And I do follow Allure Beauty on Instagram, so I have an idea of what's in here. I don't 100% remember. The one thing I do remember is going to be this one right here, the first item on the first page. It's from Glow Recipe. I'm excited. Can you tell? It's from Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. $35. Wow. That's a lot of dollars. Alright, so, and then it kind of gives you information about why you'll love it, how you'll love it. So why I'm going to love it. The niacinamide is a powerhouse that can boost radiance, truth, decrease redness, also truth, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and pigmentations. It's a lightweight, cooling pink formula. It's gel-like, perfect for summer, superstar ingredient, makes your skin super bright. Okay, so how to use it? It says apply to clean skin. The serum wakes up complexions and sinks in quickly. What? Here it is. Maybe I read that wrong. How you'll use it. It says applied to the skin, the serum wakes up complexions and sinks in quickly. You can also mix a pump into liquid foundation for a subtle glow. No. Like, this is already open when I got it, but ooh. Oh my gosh. It's very pearlescent, pearl-like. Dang, do I feel like a mermaid or what? Oh, I love this. That's pretty. Yeah. Oh, and we come with a pump. Perfect. Huh. So it's just niacinamide dew drops, and I use it just normal, like in I don't know if you watched the video. I have like a 300-step skincare routine, especially at night. So where does this fit into my routine? Is it a serum? Because it says dew drops. Brightening. Hyaluronic acid. Niacinamide. Watermelon. Highlighting serum. Highlighting serum. I'm gonna use it. I just have a lot of questions. Before moisturizer, dispense 1 to 2 pumps as your daily serum and gently pat onto the face and neck until fully absorbed. Do it AM and PM. Okay. That makes more sense than this did, so yeah. I mean, thanks Allure Beauty for the explanation. It didn't resonate with me as far as the information, steps, directions, but that's why we have the box. Simple. Poor little thing looks like it got squished. It's okay. I'm still gonna use it. I am. Like it's a question, like I was doubting. I am. $35. The next item, it's from Saturday Skin. It's the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. $45. $45. Pro and prebiotics. Okay. So whipped cream, what are we using it for? Well, I guess why I'll love it, it's one decadent moisturizer. Oh, so the whipped texture sinks into the skin, deeply moisturizing, leaving complexions velvety, soft, natural looking glow. Oh, you can use it in the morning after washing your face and or at night before bed. Oh, really? Yeah, it says oh my gosh. Place moisturizer into the palm of your hand using all 4 fingers. Apply in an outward circular motion. Tapping the moisturizer into skin. So I just want to let you guys know, the palm of your hand and your fingers. Maybe I'm gonna use it, so you're gonna find out eventually. If you watch anything on my TikTok or my Snapchat, you'll probably see it there, or this might end up in a video update of my skincare routine. But there she is. Saturday Skin is a pretty good brand too. If you haven't tried them, you should. $45. So how much are we at already? Because what were you? 35, 45? What's this next item? Okay, this one's better. 13. You're not a full-size item, are you? Because I was like looking here and looking here, and I was like, you're not a full-size item. No, it's not. That's okay. I was like, another full-size. It's not, but still cute. Anyway, AVEDA NUTRIPLENISH Leave-In Conditioner. $13 for the 13 milliliter. 1 fluid ounce for all hair types. Mist the spray into wet or dry hair for a quick shot of shine that also smooths, frizz, and fly away. Really? Really? I've been looking for like a shine spray. Like a light shine spray. This might be it. Let me know down below. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this, if it is truly a shine spray or what we're doing with this. I wanna know. AVEDA. The next item I've gotten, I wonder where I got this. I'm pretty sure it's the same. Oh no, I lied. Same brand, different item. So this is the NATURA EKOS TUKUMA. I probably said that so wrong. Body lotion. For the full size, it's 27 doll hairs. This is not the full size. This is baby size. They are vegan. Their products contain Amazon bioactive ingredients. Body lotion replenishes skin. Anti-signs for body. Okay. 97% natural origin. I just want to smell it. Oh, it's sealed. But looks cute. I have like a little hair, I think it's a hair mask. I don't remember which subscription box I got it in, but I got a hair mask just recently and I love it. So I already know this brand is going to be good. Just throwing it out there. And the how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we have more. I thought this was the last. It's not. So this next item is from Paul Mitchell. It's the Tea Tree Special Detox Kombucha Rinse. And this is pretty large. This might work for all of my hair. And I know it doesn't look like I have a lot of hair now, but I totally do. It's thick and it's getting longer. Ah, tea tree. So pretty. How come I don't see anywhere on here where it says Paul Mitchell? Just on here it says Paul Mitchell. Huh. Anyway, $28.50 for this. And you're a rinse? What are you? Explain. Once a week, use this in place of your regular shampoo. Squirt it onto your scalp, massage, and rinse after 1 to 3 minutes. The pointed nozzle makes it easy to apply. Clarifying treatment right under your scalp. Delightfully tingly. Rinses clean with squid days worth of hairspray. Dry shampoo, beach trips. Oh, so are you like a deep clean? It says special detox. I read special detox. I just didn't compute it into my brain. Also great for color treated hair. I mean, bleach just color and voided treated. Yeah, it says the same thing. Apply directly to wet hair and scalp prior to shampooing. Prior to shampooing? I thought it was instead of shampooing. Oh yeah, it says it can be used in place of regular shampoo once a week or as needed for a total detox. Oh my god. Maybe I would probably use this right like the week of my next hair appointment, like then I know I'm gonna get my roots done or something, just because bleaching it and then like the amount of bleaching I like to have done lifts so much of my hair. There's no way I would risk stripping it even more. But like after a couple weeks and like my roots grow out and you know the oils build back up, this would probably be really good before my next like hair bleach appointment. So not that bad. I don't know. Does it like really like strip it, make it dry and like just, I don't know. I have questions. I would like to know. There's one more item in here, by the way. It's from April Skin and I don't think I've tried this. This is the tiniest little cutest box ever. It's not a full-size item. I thought it was going to be like a little lippy because it kind of looks like a lippy on the paper, but it's not. So it's April Skin Keratin IPMP Hydro Melt Cleansing Balm. Oh, I love cleansing balms. Oh, I do. It's hard to find good cleansing balms. So if this works, I mean the full size is $28. So it says how to use. The really cool part, you'll start with dry hands and skin. Moisturize a little over your face and watch your makeup melt away before your eyes. I like to double cleanse at the end of all of my days because I put on sunscreen. Either just at the beginning or throughout my day. Depends on if I leave the house or not. But most days I'd say I double cleanse. And I like to come in with a cleansing balm or an oil-based cleanser to just melt all that stuff off of like the top of my skin, and then I come in with like a moisturizing cleanser right after to kind of just lift whatever's left in my pores up and out. So this is so cool. I really like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should I have put it back in here like nice and neat? Is that like a thing? Let me. I don't know if I can. Oh, I can. I did it. Yay for me. So this is everything for my, oh my god, did I forget to say this is June? Hi, hello, June, Allure beauty box, June. This is my June Allure beauty box. And I love everything I got inside. I'll list more down below in the description. Let me know if you like this month's box. Like, I have yet to be let down, and I'm still just like ecstatic about this. I will catch you next time. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button in the meantime. Bye!